So I got a little special thing in the mail today, and I was like, what could this be? I have in front of me one of the things that I've worked so unbelievably hard on. I don't even know that it's hard to even believe that it's real. But I knew, signing on to this in October, that this was going to change my life. And it did. So, shit. I already recorded this once, but I'm so grateful. I would have never been able to do it without this group. I would have definitely got stuck in my limiting beliefs or the circle of, selling low ticket, not even having a structure or an offer or anything. I didn't even know what I was doing, but I just knew that I needed the proper guidance. And then I found my way to Ed and the team, and here I am, 10K more influential and impactful, and I can't wait to add another 0 to this. And I'm so incredibly grateful. I can't even express it into words. I think one of the biggest things that I've learned so far is really taking the time to understand the process, because I didn't struggle for years being fully booked, overbooked, overwhelmed 1-to-1. I knew that I had value to share and I had something to teach, and I knew that I needed to figure out the best way to get me from point A to point B and help others with my knowledge in the fastest way possible. And I didn't even know what I signed up for when I got it, and COA, and it's literally incredible, life-changing. Can't wait to further invest for the rest of my life and with this group. So thank you, Ed. You guys are amazing. Thank you, Dave, everyone. So good.